Normally, after we eat any food with carbohydrates, the carbs are broken down by the body's digestive system into their base component, glucose. This glucose then enters the bloodstream, increasing the glucose level of the blood. The high blood glucose level stimulates the pancreatic beta cells to produce insulin, and the insulin is released into the bloodstream. As the insulin travels with the glucose in the blood, it hooks onto cells with active insulin receptors, triggering the production of glucose transporters, or GLUTs, with the primary one being GLUT3. The glucose transporters allow for cells to absorb the glucose from the bloodstream, thus reducing the glucose concentration in the blood. However, when we don't eat enough food with carbs, our blood glucose level decreases. This decrease triggers the production of glucagon by our pancreatic alpha cells. The glucagon then goes to the glycogen reserves in the liver and signals the breakdown of glycogen into glucose. The glucose is then released into the bloodstream so that the blood glucose level goes up. Diabetes is a group of diseases that result in a high blood glucose level in the body. This usually is caused by two problems, and each of them has its own name: diabetes 1 and diabetes 2. Diabetes 1 occurs when the immune system attacks the beta cells in the pancreas because it is unable to identify self from non-self. Once the beta cells are destroyed, insulin cannot be produced, so blood glucose concentration will not be able to decrease if it is. Diabetes 2 occurs when the insulin receptors of cells cannot accept insulin, so no signal is received by the cells to make glucose transporters. Since glucose transporters cannot be formed, the cell will not be able to properly absorb glucose, so the blood glucose level will remain high.